Hello everyone, my name is Atharva Rendive and I have secured AIR1 in CMAT 2023 and 99.95 percentile in CET exam. In this video, I will be sharing with you my strategy for preparing these exams for subjects other than GK. For GK, I have made a separate video which you can check out. Okay, let's get started. For innovation and entrepreneurship, you have to first refer to the previous year questions. By referring to them, you will understand what the pattern of the exam is, what the exam demands of you, the topics you need to focus on, and the topics you can ignore. For covering the syllabus, I use the CMATking Bible and I revise it 2 to 3 times, and that is, I think, sufficient. Moving on, for logical reasoning, quants and verbal ability, the portion for CET and CMAT is the same. So I did not do any special preparation for CMAT. For preparing these subjects, I heavily relied on mocks. I used to solve nearly one mock every day. So by the time the CET exam had arrived, I had solved nearly 55 to 60 mocks. After solving them, I used to do a lot of analysis, and whichever my weaknesses are, for them, I used to watch CMATking videos and understand the topic from there. And also, for some topics, I used to watch those videos to understand how to solve them in less time. These are some do's for the CMAT exam. You have to focus a lot on accuracy. For 100 questions, you will have 180 minutes. So for every question, you have a lot of time. And you have to master each and every topic. You do not have the luxury to ignore any topic, because if a simple question comes from that topic and you are not attempting that question, then your competitors are going to do it and they will get ahead of you. The only analysis for CMAT is that you have to look at all the topics and ask yourself that if any type of question is asked from it, will I be able to solve it? My analysis for CET mocks used to be a little bit different. I used to prepare a table like this for analyzing them. After you have completely filled the table, then you can use that data for further analysis. So the marks per minute is the metric that will help you optimize which questions to attempt and which questions to leave. So while solving, I used to give priority to those topics that give me the highest marks per minute. If you have 90% plus accuracy in any topic, that is great. But if you have anything less than 80, it means that you do not completely understand that topic and you have to work seriously on them to master them. For topics for which you have high accuracy, you have to work on reducing the time taken. You have to ask yourself that is there any way to reduce the time that I have spent on answering this question? For example, if you are solving it in 60 seconds, you have to find a way to solve it in 50 seconds or 45 seconds. If you keep doing this, then definitely you will be successful in this exam. Here are some final words. Work super hard. CET and CMAT are the last exams in the MBA calendar. So if you do really well in them, you can get the college of your choice and you can save a year in your professional life. So give everything you have in these exams. Number 2 would be to push yourself. For example, if you are studying for 6 hours daily, then you should think about how you can study for 15 minutes more the next day. If you keep doing this, then you will find working for 9 to 10 hours daily, and that work ethic will take you to places. The final one would be to look at yourself very critically. It means being honest with yourself and understanding your mistakes and working on them in a consistent manner. If you do that, then you will definitely be successful. Thank you.